Hello Architect family. Today we bring you an exciting job opportunity at PWC for the role of HR specialist in Bangalore. If you have 2 to 4 years of experience in managing employee exits and strong Excel skills, this could be your next big career move. So I talk about the more details. So the company name is PWC, role is HR specialist, location Bangalore, 2 to 4 years in employee exit management experience. Qualification is relevant HR experience and the CTC is as per industry standards. So the job responsibility are oversee the end-to-end exit process, coordinate with different team for a smooth exit, formalities, management HR operations and compliance for employee exits, work with advanced Excel for HR data management, ensure proper documentation and compliance. So the next thing is skills required. So you have a strong knowledge of HR operations and exit process, proficiency in advanced Excel, excellent verbal and written communication skills. So the important thing is how to apply. So send your resume to kirti.talwar@pwc.com as soon as possible. So I give the email address in description box. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Architect for more job updates.